Hey everyone, it's John, your author. Check this out. I just penned this ebook, Machine Learning TensorFlow Course, Implement Machine Learning Algorithms Using TensorFlow. You got to check out this ebook. You can read it for free. Check out the links below or here on the side. Welcome to the exciting world of machine learning. In this foundational book, we're going to demystify what machine learning is, clarify its relationship with artificial intelligence and deep learning, and explore the major types of machine learning paradigms. Exciting book, check it out. Machine Learning, you can read all about it. Machine Learning TensorFlow, first edition. Check out this ebook and you can read it all for free. What is ML? At its core, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that empowers systems to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions or predictions with minimal human intervention. Check out the ebook again, Machine Learning TensorFlow Course. Implement machine learning algorithms using TensorFlow Kindle Edition. Thanks, have a great day. Links below. Act now.